Today we will show you how to remove the trigger group on your Viper G2 410. To begin, ensure that your firearm is unloaded and pointed in a safe direction. Tools you will need will be a 3.5 millimeter or 1/8 inch punch and a hammer. To remove your trigger group, you will need to remove your receiver pin. Locate the left side of the receiver and drive your pin out from left to right. Grab the trigger guard of the trigger group, pull up and forward. And that is how you remove the trigger group from your Viper G2 410. Now, to reinstall your trigger group back into your Viper G2 410, you'll need to depress your bolt lock button so that the elevator is in the down position. Reinsert your trigger group back in your receiver. Align your receiver pin hole, and then replace your receiver pin from right to left. Then you're done.